Mog, are you ready to go for a walk? You ready to go for a walk, Mog? Let's go for a walk, Mog. Come on. Come on, Mog. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk, Mog. Mog, I'm going to give you 5 seconds and we've got to be out of the door, okay? So we can go for a walk, okay? You cool with that? You cool? You cool? Come on. Walk. Walk time. Go for a walk. Walkie pies. Let's walk. Okay, Mog, I know you're under that car, so here's the deal. You come out of the car and I'll give you a nice bit of, I'll give you one of those sticks. Let's go get a stick, yeah! Let's go for a stick, Mog! Come on, stick time! Wait, well, you just kind of, I mean, that is the ground, but let's go for a walk! Walk time! Let's go for a walk, Mog! Mog, we're both in this, okay? You understand? So this is something we've both got to work for together. There's nothing there, Mog. We've got 2 options. We go for a walk, and you get a stick, or you stay there, and no stick, so what's it going to be, Mog? Mog. You're making this harder than it needs to be. Mog, no, don't go back to the house. Don't you meant to be going out, Mog. This is going to be our nice little walk, and you're being a real toolbox extraordinary, Mog. Where are you going? Stop. We're going on a bear hunt. Come on. No, don't go. No, don't. No. Come back. Stop. Well, okay, she,